let's see how we can differentiate 2 to the t to the third power. So here we have to use the chain rule, and we see that the input is t to the third power. So let's go ahead and write it down on the side. Well, I'll just write down little f to be 2 to the box, and then the box has t to the third power, and I'll denote that by g. And again, if you don't want to write down a little f and little g, just keep track, that's fine too. But anyway, what's the derivative of 2 to the box? Well, you have to remember your exponential derivatives. The derivative of 2 to the variable right here, we will get 2 to the same thing, so 2 to the box, but we have to multiply by ln of the base. So we multiply by ln2, right? So remember that. And then, of course, we can just do this. G prime is just 3t squared. Now, we put this in the box and multiply. That's the idea. So all in all, we will get f prime of t. Here we have 2 raised to the box, which is t to the third power. And then we multiply by ln2. And then we multiply by 3t squared, right? So that's pretty much it. And keep in mind though, we only have the 2 instead of the ln. And just to avoid confusion, we usually like to have like the constant multiple and also the polynomial part all the way in the front of like the letter functions like ln and things like that. So perhaps I'm just going to write it as, and of course do not multiply the 2 and the 3. I will just write it as 3t squared and then 2 to the t to the third power, and then lastly I'll put down the ln2. So I think this is a pretty good presentation for the final answer.